that? Max, you almost ready to pick the winner?
The winner.
The winner? Winner, winner, chicken dinner? Are you almost ready? Billy! Billy?
Yeah?
If you don't know Billy, this is my IT guy. Billy.
Hi.
He is a legit IT professional, even if he's only, well, days away from turning 12. Billy, we need your help to pick the winner. The winner of the all gigantic class course, mega awesome art school, 17 free classes. Can you go on the YouTube please and check how many entries we have?
Let's see what this one.
So we have 264 entries.
Wait, let's see what this one means. Let's see what it means.
So we're gonna translate
Google
some.
Translate.
Or we can't take too long because people are waiting for the winner. But we do.
We're picking right now.
Yeah, well, hold on. Okay, first I do need to say, make something very clear, which is that I literally went through every single comment. Every single comment. And I was blown away by all your comments. Oh, so that's the tornado in the background.
Mom, you gotta see this. This is a good comment.
I love everything you do. Thanks for sharing. I would like to win. I know people in different languages commented, which we're going through and we're translating the ones that we can't read in English and finding out what they read. So I'm reading.
Translate is number 1.
I know. So I'm reading every single comment. And you guys, you know, when I said like, go comment and tell me why you win, I expected people to be just, hold on, I'm talking. I expected people to just be like, I want to win because it's awesome, whatever. And then people were like telling me these stories and their backgrounds and like these heartfelt things about how art is their therapy and what struggles they've been going through. So I just want to let you know that I did take the time and read all of them and heart as many as I could. And sometimes some get away, they get lost between like newest comments and top comments, and then like some are elusive and get away. So if it didn't heart your comment, I'm super sorry, but I really went through and read and tried to heart all of them. Show everybody Jack. There's Rosie. Oh, my baby girl. Okay, Jack's busy being a teenager, so we're not gonna bother him, but he's my oldest. He's never on, he's very elusive. 14-year-old. Oh,
Krishan.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that! Krishan Simpson! Whoa! Oh my god! Girl, I know who you are and I know you know who I am, so oh my god! You just want free access to every single class. I know Krishan because she is, hang on a second. She is, oh, okay, and first of all, I do have to read her comment. Billy just told me to read it, and he's absolutely right. And I do remember this. She said, oh my, what? First, you are completely awesome. Thank you, girl. Second, this giveaway is to die for. Third, I freaking love you. I freaking love you, Krishan. Fourth, so many congrats on 10K subscribers. You totally deserve it, girl. I would love to win because I am new to the whole art thing and I'm always looking to learn more and expand my knowledge. I'm learning so much from you and I can't wait to learn more. Plus, I love art supplies and having fun. Woo! Girlfriend, I'm so excited for you! That is huge. And you got the free watercolor set too. So please private message me. And I will send those watercolors tonight. So you should get them prime 2-day shipping. So to celebrate, Rosie.
The Rosie.
Say congrats, Krishan. Oh my god. And the reason I know Krishan is because she's like a really active member in my Facebook group. So if you want to join it, just search Awesome Art School. Not the VIP group, but just Awesome Art School with Karen Campbell and come join our fun. It's so fun. So that's why I know her so well. She's on there almost every single day chatting with everybody and myself and showing her work and sharing and whatever, having a good time. That is amazing.
Right? I can leave now.
You're bye, Max.
I can leave now.
Yeah, bye. Get out of here.
Alright, see ya. Who cares?
Right, say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Happy Mother's Day. That's what he means. And to celebrate Mother's Day. I'm going to edit you out. Don't be fresh. Leave. And to celebrate Mother's Day, every single one of my classes, all 17 that I just gifted to Krishan, are 20% off with coupon code. Are you ready? Mom.
Mom.
Just Mom. All caps, M-O-M. So go to Awesome.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Thanks for your help, Billy.
Yay.
He's the best. All right. Thank you. And holy moly, moly, moly.